Hi, welcome to our Aloe Vera workshop here in Crete, Greece. Today we're going to be making a aloe vera hair mask, which is really good if you've been in the salty water all day, just to give your hair a new hydration. What you're going to need is one bowl, a cutting board, and a pretty sharp knife. So here we have our aloe vera plant, which grows pretty wild here in Greece, and you can find it along the road or in towns, pretty much everywhere. And what you want to do is make sure to cut it in a way that leaves the plant beautiful. So if we were to cut a top part here, it would be kind of like it was missing an arm. So what you want to do is cut along the bottom and find a nice thick juicy piece of aloe, and then just take your knife and make an incision like so. And here's one piece of aloe. It's an aloe fillet. We're going to put it in the bowl. We're going to do that again. Okay, so once you've collected your aloe and you've cut it off the aloe tree or plant, then you're going to, you see these spikes along the aloe itself? We're going to get rid of those so we don't hurt ourselves, and just chop them down like so. Now I'm going to repeat it on the other side. And then we're going to do this with all of our aloe. Okay, so we've got our aloe, we've harvested it, peeled it, and cut it up and put it into this bowl, and we've squished it around a bit with our hands just to break it up and make it a bit more fluid. And now we're going to start applying it to our hair. Now, aloe is not only good for beauty, but it's also really good for your skin if you've gotten a sunburn whilst on vacation. You can apply it directly to your sunburn, and it cools the skin and helps you heal really rapidly. Another thing that people like to do is actually ingest it. So you can put a bit of aloe into your water. My mother used to do that for me when I was little, but it tastes very bitter, so it's an acquired taste, but you can also eat it. But today we're just gonna put it in our hair and take care of our skin. Okay, so we've got our aloe bowl, and now I just need a model. So Harris is gonna be our mannequin for the day, and we're gonna treat his hair.
We are ready.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Cool. So you got to make sure you get your boyfriend a beer for this, because they need to keep some of their masculinity.
Got to stay hydrated.
Yeah, hydrating the hair and the body. So Harris, I'm gonna put this in your hair. Are you ready?
I don't know.
Okay. So
snot bucket.
You want to take your aloe and basically just plop it all over the hair like that. And just gonna rub it in, get it in the scalp. If it falls on you, it's okay. It's good for your skin too.
So what is this gonna do for my hair, Cass?
So it's gonna make your hair really shiny. It's gonna hydrate it. It's gonna heal your scalp, because all the shampoos we put on our head, they actually really dry the scalp. So it's gonna moisturize your scalp. It's gonna coat your hair with this moisture, and it's going to make you look even more handsome than you already do.
Feels like shampoo. Oh, hello.
And basically you just rub it in, and then you leave it on for about 15 minutes, or until you want to wash it out. The longer the better, but if you're feeling goopy and sticky and you're ready to go back to your normal state, you can rinse it out earlier. And then whatever falls on your skin, you can just put on your back and moisturize your back as well. And that is our finished product.
Oh. Got him! While waiting for your aloe to dry, it's always important to play the big brother role and attack your little sisters. Got him!
Okay, so once your aloe's been in your hair for like about 15 minutes, you can just wash it out with some nice fresh water and rinse it out of your hair, just like you would any shampoo or conditioner. And once you're done showering, you can jump in the pool.